Hi, welcome back to another segment of Kathy Brooklyn Community. I am here in downtown Canton, Michigan with Philip Lewis at Silvio's Trattoria de Pizzeria, and I'm so excited because this is a purely organic Italian restaurant. Thank you so much, Phil. Tell us all about how you came up with this concept. You started in Ann Arbor, came here.
It was not originally me. Silvio is my father-in-law. I met his daughter Francesca about 6 years ago. We weren't involved in the business just yet, but Fran had grown up working there with him, so I knew it was a part of her, and she was serving actually at the time when we met. So I came around, I asked her a couple questions. She told me it was organic, locally sourced, and I said, what are you doing eating anywhere but there? So a couple years passed and I got a little bit more involved in the business. Silvio's started 15 years ago in Ann Arbor. He was one of the first fully organic places, one of the first organic restaurants to open in Ann Arbor.
Ahead of his time.
Ahead of his time, really. And he started with his wife, Katia, their two sons, Romeo and Gio, and they have a daughter, Manuela, and then my wife, Francesca, the youngest of the four.
Well, that's an Italian family for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Fun fact is they started kind of in a little hole in the wall. It was, not sure if it was full menu or not just yet, but he was doing organic pizza by the slice. So it was really short order, lines out the door, and made a couple of newspaper headlines in Ann Arbor, and it was really a big deal. He helped work with the co-op community as well, and he was into the slow food movement also. So he really kind of got into some of the roots of Ann Arbor, and supports a lot of local farms, Tantre farms he's talking to right now actually, and we really like to keep it local. And
we love it, pure Michigan.
Yes.
So he went from pizzas to these beautiful meals. So tell us a few of your favorites, or the community's favorites.
We have the Michigan Ravioli, which is a king trumpet mushroom. It's a hand-rolled wheat ravioli filled with goat cheese and topped with walnuts, a special cream sauce. Silvio's got a handmade gnocchi that actually got us this location. Fun little fact. Mr. John Bush came in through a mutual friend, tried the gnocchi, and loved it so much he said you could open a restaurant at my space, so it really worked out. Just from knowing Silvio, the one thing I can say is he does a lot of honest, hard work, no corners cut, and you have to keep your ingredients as pure and simple as possible, and keep the integrity of the food. But it's just kind of a joy to witness him work and really see the real Italian art being done. Handmade pasta, pizza dough, bread, crackers, biscotti, all of our pastries in our bake case, down to the cream or the sponge cake, is completely made by Silvio.
You grow some of your own herbs as well, so
yeah,
that's fun too.
Yeah, the hydroponic, that was a gift from Ann Arbor actually. He had a student, and I believe it was her science project, and she put it together for him, and herbs, fresh basil, thyme, and just a nice way to keep things moving for us.
Well, and that definitely, you use those in all of your ingredients, I'm sure.
Yep.
So we are so grateful that your family has spent this much time to care for all of us, because that's actually what you're doing, making sure we're eating good, healthy food.
Yes.
And I hope it's the way of the future for a lot of other restaurants because it's a lot of time, and I know it takes a lot of effort. So
yes.
I want to thank you so much for meeting me here today, and I'm going to put your information on the screen so that people know where you are.
Thank you.
And the parking is fabulous.
Yes,
so
we have parking now.
It's so easy to get here and park. So come on down to Silvio's in Canton, Michigan, and make a night out of it, truly, or go grocery shopping next door so you can do it all at once. Go grocery shopping, come over here. They have a full bar and dinner, and come enjoy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Phil.
Really, appreciate it.
Thank you.